Hey, welcome back, Fast Monty's Garage. Before we hit this Cops and Rodders show in San Diego, I have a few announcements to make. One is on top of my head. As you can tell, I am getting hats made. This is a prototype, but I'm gonna have black, gray, and red to start out. And it's a trucker, it's a snapback. It's breathable, so you can keep that scalp nice and cool when you're in the hot sun. But I'm looking forward to it. I know a lot of you were mentioning it in the past that I can't wait to get a hat. Well, I'm gonna make them now. So I'm thinking 30 bucks. I don't know. So keep checking the description in this video because as soon as I get that shop up and running to ship hats, I'll put the link here. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before, so I'll figure it out. Anyway, the other thing is, I need to take a break from videoing. Holidays are coming up and my backlog of house projects is knee deep, if you know what I mean. And as the saying goes, happy wife, happy life. Yeah, I need to get those projects done. So I'm gonna take a little break from filming, but those of you that have been watching every week for 2 years, thank you. I appreciate you. And so don't be concerned that next week there's no video. I need to take a little break, but I'll still be answering comments. I'm still here. I still have a lot of things in my head of future projects, including bump steer. I have a bump steer problem. We're gonna fix that. So now moving through this car show, I want you guys to leave a comment. What car is your favorite? Because at the end of the video, I'll tell you what mine is. So let's get to it. Hey guys, what's up? I'm at a San Diego Pontiac Club show in Embarcadero Park. It is absolutely beautiful out here. How's that for a view? So I'm gonna walk around the show. It's really hard to do interviews today because there's way too much music in the background, but enjoy the show. Hope it gives you some ideas on your ride and catch up with you soon. 62 Bonnie rare convertible.
Don't forget, woo, check your numbers. We're broadcasting live from Embarcadero, San Diego, California. Thank you guys for coming out. Thanks for checking out the cars. Look, but don't touch.
Guys, this is incredibly rare. Stock turbo. I think this is a 63 Chevelle Oldsmobile. Amazing, amazing, super rare. Okay, that car show was a blast, and as I suspected, at most car shows, there's so much music in the background, I had to edit it out and put my own music in. But let's talk about cars for a second. Did you see that 62 Grand Prix? Oh my God. I was blown away. So I'm not an expert on all Pontiacs, okay? You guys know that. But that car blew me away because I had a 455 dropped in it. It sounded badass. And the wheels, I don't know if you noticed the wheels, those are stock. They're aluminum 8 lug wheels because the drums are built in. Those fins on the wheel help dissipate the heat. Isn't that crazy? So go back and check that one out when you can. But guys, thanks for hanging out. Again, love you guys. Don't be afraid that I'm not going to have a video next week. Don't worry about it. I'll be back as soon as I get the bump steer fixed, and I'll show you how to do that. So thanks for hanging out, and until next time, building fast, driving faster. See ya.